Morning guys, Wednesday morning. We've finally gotten some rain for the last 2 nights. Here on the Kissimmee chain, it's been raining where it needs to be raining. From Disney to downtown St. Cloud, all that water should be coming this way. I'm gonna go try to find you some running water and maybe figure out what they're gonna eat so you can catch some fish this weekend. Y'all stick around. And they're schooling. Wow. So first stop, just pulled a few rods out. Moving baits mostly. I got a dog mount, I got a pop bar, I got a provoke jerk bait, swim bait, and a worm for a follow-up because they're starting to school a little bit here. Got about a 1 mile current. We got about a 1 mile an hour current. Let's see if we can get some topwater action going. Swiped it and he got it. There we go. First bite. Decent fish. Unless I've got him foul hooked. Little guy. Mad. But ooh, he's better than I thought he was. Fat. Fat guy. Here we go. First fish in the boat. About a 2. Smoked the dogma. Fish number 1. All right, so it is 7:50. We've been out here about 15 minutes. There's definitely some schooling activity in the main river channel in its usual places. Caught one, decent one. Had one get off on topwater. But these fish will be here all day, so I think I'm gonna pack it up and go try a few more spots. So y'all stick around. All right, second spot. That's my buddy John out there at the mouth of Southport. There are a few fish in here, but they're not really bunched up yet. Typically, it takes 3 or 4 days to really bunch these fish up in the running water spots. I see a few moving around. I see a few on the live. There's a lot of gar in here, but the current is ripping at the goalposts. So it may be a day or 2 early, which is going to be perfect for you guys. Wednesday, by the time you got out here Saturday morning, Sunday morning, these fish ought to be bunched. You can either you can fish the main river along the edges where there is less current, inside of curves where there is less current, or out on the flats where this current spreads out and slows down quite a bit. And anywhere between Southport, which is where I'm at, and the Hatch Canal, or from Canoe Creek to the Hatch Canal, you're going to find current, but it's going to be moving slower. Use your electronics, find some grass, find some bottom irregularities, and you should find fish. So I'm going to run on up the canal here and see if I can't find some in where the waters are moving a little slower. Right now we're in 5 feet. This is where the canal really shallows up. But where you've got 25 feet of water, the current's going to run quite a bit slower. So let's go up in some slower current and see what we can find. There we go. Monster coming to the boat. So I'm drifting down through this deep water and I found a little guy. Not much to talk about, but first bite I had in about 30 minutes, so I'm not complaining. Well, I've hit all the usual running water spots. There's a few fish around. They haven't stacked up yet, but there was current everywhere. North of Camp Mac, I didn't go south down the river channel, but Hatch has got running water in it. Canoe Creek's running, Southport's running, and there's current coming across Cypress. So hopefully by the weekend, these fish will have staged up and grouped up on some bait fish May take you a while to find it, but once you find them, I think you'll have a good day. So wish I could give you some more help for the weekend, fellas, but that's all I got. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.